Jajninder, you must have watched YouTube ads, and if you're wondering how you can run the same ads, then you're at the right place. In this article, you will learn exactly why should you choose YouTube advertising, what are different types of YouTube ads that you can run, and how you can launch a successful YouTube ad campaign, and how you can even optimize it. So let's get started. So first of all, let's understand that why should you choose YouTube advertising. From the various options that you have, such as LinkedIn advertising, Cure advertising, Reddit advertising, and also Google search advertising. So you see, YouTube ads have a very significant selling point, which is the powerful impact that video has on the memory, which makes it much easier for people to recall your brand. So if you are a person who are looking to increase your brand awareness, then YouTube ads are definitely a very good option for you. And the next important point is that YouTube has a very engaged audience, okay, and which is always a plus point for advertisers, okay. So because of their engagement on the platform, the engagement on your ads will also increase. So that is also a very important point. Now let us discuss the different types of ad campaigns that you can run. So the first type of ad campaign that you can run are the in-feed video ads. These are the ads that shows up on the feed of the users. So you can see how it looks like. And the next is the skippable in-stream video ads. Skippable meaning users can skip them, and in-streams mean that these video play during the video, okay. So these are the type of ads that I'm talking about, and also that these are the ads for which advertisers only have to play when the users watches the ad for at least 30 seconds. The user watches until the end of the video ad, and the user takes an action such as clicking a call to actions. And also you need to make your ads between 12 seconds and 16 minutes in length in order to comply with the YouTube guidelines. Also, when you're making these types of ads, it's very important that you have a very good hook to make the user watch the full ad, okay. So this actually increases your engagement and it will get you better ROI for ads. The next is the non-skippable in-stream video ads. Non-skippable means the user actually can't skip them, and in-stream means these also are going to play in-stream. So these are the ads which usually last between 15 and 20 seconds, and these are also a very good option for startups also, because you can tell a good story in 15 to 20 seconds and it increases your brand awareness. So these actually look like this. And the next are the overlay ads. Overlay ads are overlay ads. They overlay on top of the video and they look like this. And the good thing about them is these are actually not intrusive, because the user actually playing a video, and if an ad comes in, then obviously they all get annoyed. So they get less annoyed if you're using overlay ads. And next is the bumper ads. Bumper ads are like a bumper when you're watching a video. So when you play a video and the ads plays at the start of the video, these are bumper ads. Now we'll discuss how you can run your ad. So the first step before running an ad is to have an ad, okay. So go ahead and make an ad, and once you have made that, go to studio.youtube.com and click on the upload video to upload your ad. Next you need to go to ads.google.com and click on the get started button. It may ask you to sign up for the service. If that's okay, then sign up for it. And once you have signed up, you'll see a dashboard similar to this, okay. Then you have to click on the new campaign button. And then you have to choose a campaign objective. You can choose the brand awareness and reach, and then the video to run YouTube ads. And then you have the option to choose a campaign subtype. Video reach campaign is good option. And then you have to choose from the ways that you would like to reach your goal, okay. The one is efficient reach, non-skippable in-stream, and target frequency. Efficient reach, in this YouTube is going to use various type of ads such as bumper ads, skippable, in-stream ads to run your ads. And in non-skippable, these are like the 15 to 20 seconds ads that play during the video, okay. These are generally expensive, and you have the target frequency in which you reach the same people again and again and again. This actually increases conversion. So for now, I'm going to go for efficient reach because it is generally cheaper than the non-skippable and target frequency option. So let's choose that and click on continue button. Next, you need to choose the campaign name. So let me name it campaign 1. And next you need to choose the budget and date. So you can choose as a total budget, that is the amount of money that you're spending on the campaign in total, and you can choose a daily budget. This is the amount that you're willing to spend on a daily basis. Let me choose the campaign total and make it 500 rupees. And let's choose the end date. It's important that you have to have a end date and a campaign total budget. And next you need to choose the network. So you see your ads can show on the YouTube search results, which is something when people searches for it appears. And you can also choose for YouTube videos. These are the ads that appear on YouTube video channel pages and YouTube homepage. And you can also choose for YouTube partners on display network. These are the non-YouTube affiliated website which shows YouTube ads. Okay. And next you need to choose location. Generally, the countries such as India are cheaper to target, and countries like United States and Europe are expensive to target. I'm going to go for India. Then you have to choose your language. It depends upon your ad. Okay. So let's say that if your ad is in Hindi language, then obviously you want to choose Hindi language here. Next is the related video. These are the videos that are related to your video as setting are used to help increase engagement. And next you need to choose the people and the content. The people are the type of people that you want to reach based on their demographics, which is their age, the gender, the marital status, or their income, or their audience segment. Audience segment is nothing but a fancy way of saying their interests. Okay. So you can go to demographics, and if you want, you can choose a younger audience, because you see younger audience are generally much more converting than the older audience. So you may want to go for that. And next you can choose the audience segments. Audience segments are the things that people are interested in. Okay, so let's say I want to target people who are interested in web design and development and business services. So I can target them this way. And next you have the content option. So here you decide where you want your ads to show, what type of content. You can choose keywords, and to get keywords idea, you can also put your website here. So to get keyword ideas, I'm just putting my website, and let me see lead generation. The product, and it will start fetching ideas for related to that. Then you can choose these ideas, or you can just type them out. Then you have your topics. What kind of topics that you want to show the ads on. Let's say that I want to show it on computer and electronics. Then you have the option of specific placement. This is a very good option, because let's say that you want to target a specific channel where you want to show your ads on. So for example, you can let's say that you want to show your ads to the audience of Code with Harry. So you can type it here. And you can select it, and by that the audience of Code with Harry will be targeted from your ads. Next you need to enter your YouTube video. Let's say that I want to use this ad. Okay, so we'll go to my ad campaign and put my ad video link. We actually have to put this link, so let me put it. Now you need to add your call to actions and other things. So for example, let's say that I want them to visit this place here. So I could use that as a call to action, which is to learn more. And then you have the bid strategy. Okay, it will that's actually going to advise you what is the bid that you should pay for. So it is saying that you should bid for 74 rupees. So let me bid for 75. So once you have done that, you need to click on create campaign. Now that you have created your ads, let's discuss how you can optimize your YouTube ads for the best performance. You see, one of the very important thing when you running YouTube ads is to study your competitors. You can see your competitors' advertising strategies to see what works and what doesn't work in your industry. Here's some examples on how to conduct competitor research for your advertising. Identify your competitors first of all, who are your competitors, and then analyze their content and investigate their ad strategy. See what are the type of content they are publishing, and you publish similar type of content. Next is to have a call to action, such as a sign up for a free trial or visiting your website. So you can have a call to action in which you say to sign up for a free trial on a visit website. This is a very good option because you see in marketing it is best practices to include a call to action at the end of any piece of content. And then most important thing I have to tell you regarding advertisement is this, that you have to keep trying till you hit positive ROI. So you see, it's very important that you hit positive ROI, which means that if you spend $1 into your ads, then you should at least get your $1 back and even more if that's possible. So you have to focus on getting positive ROI. Now, in case you're not getting positive ROI, then you can look into these issues. Your ads are not engaging enough. If that is the case, then try experimenting with different ad ideas. Look your competitors and other brands for inspiration to make your ads more engaging. Try shortening the ad and having a hook. And these are the types of things that you can do to make them more engaging. You are actually targeting the wrong kind of people and the keywords. To fix that, go to your ads.google.com and target the correct people, okay, which are more interested in your ads, especially the content in the people section. And then your product actually doesn't have a product market fit. See, if that is the case, then you either need to remodel your product or create a new one. Okay, again, most important things when using YouTube ads is that you get a positive ROI, and obviously YouTube ads works. That is why businesses spend billions of dollars on them every year. So just keep trying with YouTube ads, and with persistence, I hope you will hit the positive ROI mark. Now, if I have to summarize this article, then these are points I will say are the key takeaways for you. You see, YouTube ads are a very excellent advertising option because YouTube has a very engaged audience, and YouTube video ads have a very lasting impact on the views. And you learned about the different types of ads, such as the in-feed video ads. These are the ads that shows up on the users feeds and the search results. The skippable in-stream video ads, these are skippable and shows in-stream. These are non-skippable in-stream video ads. These are non-skippable and typically like 15 to 20 seconds and play while the video is playing. And overlay ads, these are the ads that show as an overlay or on the top of video. And bumper ads, these are the ads that show before a video is being played. You learned how you can run your own ad campaign, and you learned how you can optimize your ads by taking inspiration from your competitors, using call to action at the end of your ad, and you have to keep trying till you hit a positive ROI. And lastly, to benefit from this knowledge that you have learned, it is important to put it into practice. So you can follow these steps to put your knowledge into practice. First, you can analyze your competitors' ads to get an insight into what type of ads you should create. The ideas, you'll get a lot of ideas, so you can focus on them and just refine them. Next is you need to launch a campaign by following the steps outlined in the Getting Started with YouTube Ads section. This is actually an article linked in the description that you can go ahead and visit, and you can see there's a section called Getting Started with your YouTube ads that you can follow to get a step-by-step concrete guidance on how you can run your ads. And next, keep an eye on your ads and make necessary importance till you hit the positive ROI mark, which is again very important, being that if you put $1, you get more than $1 in return. Okay, so keep trying, and if you stay persistent, you will definitely hit a positive ROI in YouTube ads. Okay, now let's discuss how you can some important figures. So the question is, how could you track the performance of your ads? You see, you can use YouTube's analytic dashboard that you can see by going to studio.youtube.com, and there's an analytics page for each video. So you can go there and check the reach, engagement, and audience. Are there any tools available to help optimize your YouTube channels? Yeah, of course. You can use vidIQ or TubeBuddy. So you see, vidIQ is a Chrome extension that gives you insight upon your YouTube ads, and similar is TubeBuddy. And we actually use vidIQ, by the way, for searching for competition for our keywords and searching for tags from a video. These are things which we use YouTube ads for. And there are also other FAQs that you can go ahead and read on our blog, which is linked in the description. And lastly, thank you very much for watching this video.